So many of you have letters that you send out to your clients at different times. Maybe they're individual letters just based on where you are working with that person or how a deal is progressing, or maybe you just have, for instance, maybe a quarterly client letter that you send out to everybody. But in both cases, you want to personalize them. So what you would do is you would use our mail merge engine to make this happen. Before you can actually use the mail merge engine, there's two things you need to have. The very first thing is first you want to send an email to support@status5.com and ask our support team to turn on the extended mail merge feature. This is a feature, unbelievably enough to me, I can't figure out why, but it's not activated by default from Salesforce.com, so we must actually ping their support team and have them activate it for you. The reason we need to activate the extended mail merge feature is because the way that the Microsoft mail merge works, unless you're on an old version of Office and on a PC, you're going to need the extended version. So if you're on a newer version of Office, a newer web browser, or on a Macintosh, any Mac device, extended is the only way to go. So law of averages, 98% of you are going to need extended. The very first thing you want to do is send that email to support@status5.com and we'll get the extended mail merge turned on. The second thing is something that we're going to do for you once we get confirmation that the extended mail merge feature has been turned on. We're going to send you a list of commonly used mail merge fields. For instance, like you can see here, this Word document I've got my organization name and address here, today's date, the contact that's going to get it, their name, title, mailing address. So we'll give you what the merge fields are for those common things. That way you can go into Word and set up your mail merge templates without any effort. So for today's example, because I've got this little template here, I thought I'd just run you through, assuming that the extended mail merge feature has been turned on, what the next steps are. So the first thing is you're going to have to create your template. So you can see here I've set up this reminder letter sample template. And so once I've got all my fields in and the letters all set up, all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a save as. I'm going to save this actually on my desktop just to make it easy. And I'm going to save it as a template. So you'll see it's got a different file extension, .dot. And again, I'm going to put it on my desktop. We'll just save that. And so now that I've got my template saved, what we're going to do is we're going to want to upload it into the system. So to do so, we have to go to our mail merge templates that are in the setup menu. And so you'll click on the little triangle next to your name again and go to setup. And over here in the quick find, I would just type in mail merge. And so you'll see there's only one option, which is great. Our choices were narrowed down for us. And so we'll click on mail merge templates. And you'll see here currently in our demo system here, we have none. So all you have to do, click on new template, and we'll just call this test mail merge template. This is a sample template. You can give it a description if you want. And then the next thing is you just navigate to your file. So there's our reminder letter .dot, which is a Word template. Click OK and click Save. So now we have this template in our system and it's usable. Again, this is a demo org. I haven't set up the extended mail merge in it because it's just for purposes like this where we're just demonstrating things. But I'm going to open up a live account and give you a rundown on how you would use this now that you have it. There's two types of mail merges you can send. You can send, as I mentioned, an individual, like one-to-one letter, or you can mail merge to an entire group. So let's take, first of all, let's say we wanted to send an individual one-on-one letter. So what you would do is you would go to that contact, and in the history, it's just as simple as clicking mail merge, and it's going to pop up the contact that's supposed to receive it. It'll give you a list of all your templates, so like test merge template. And then I recommend leaving this login activity box checked because it's going to then file in the contact history that this mail merge template was sent, a letter basically went out to this person. And then you just click generate. what will happen, I'm not going to click generate because I don't want to generate this document in this person's org, but what would happen is once it's generated, an email is going to go to you saying that there's been this document and you can retrieve it from your Documents tab. There might be a link in the email that you can click and get right to it. If not, all you do is you just click on Documents and you'll see it right up here in the top. And so then basically you just click it and print it. And so then you've got your mail merge letter. The next way to do it is what if you want to send to a group of people? And so when you click on the Contacts tab, what you'll do is you'll go down here to the bottom right to the Tools section, and you're going to look for the link that says Mass Mail Merge. And so then you'll click on the link, and much like doing a mass email, it gives you the ability to create list views. So let's just say it was, your monthly 100 people mailing. And so then you can choose, again, just like in the mass email, to select them all or maybe deselect some people selectively. Then you'll click Next. You're going to choose what type of document. So maybe it's like a letter. So you choose Document, and then we'd say Login Activity. And then you'll click Next. And then the next thing is you're going to choose your template. You can actually preview it if you wish. It'll give you a little download. So then in this case, oops, my word just froze. Well, take my word for it. You can preview it, and then once you're done, you just click Finish. It's going to automatically generate a multi-page document with all the mail merge fields created, and again, you'll retrieve it from your Documents tab. So as you can see, the mail merge feature, it's very simple. The mass mail merge feature works just like sending a mass email, only it's printed letters. As you can see, you can do it with envelope templates, with label templates, with document templates. But definitely if you have standard forms that you're constantly using and you want to take advantage of this, I highly recommend it. If the list of mail merge fields we give you doesn't quite cover everything you need, just let us know, and we're happy to work with you to show you how you can either determine those fields yourself or just give you a list of them, whatever is easier for you.